Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not seen any of my videos before, just to introduce myself, I'm Chandni Singh. I'm a hair and makeup artist for the last 15 years now, and I have my studio in Delhi, and I also offer professional hair and makeup courses. You can have a look at our website chandnisingh.com for details, and in case you're not following us on Instagram yet, please follow my handle. It's called Chandni Singh Studio. And we also have our own brand called CS Essentials, where we manufacture makeup boxes, brush stands, LED makeup mirrors, professional makeup chairs, and yes, our most popular CS Essential lashes in human hair and mink. Our human hair lashes are just priced at 160 rupees and our mink lashes are priced at 750 rupees, and the response has been fabulous. Trust me, if you order it from us once, you will never stop using our lashes. I'm going to leave all the details below where you can order our stuff from. So today's video is again skincare, because I feel skincare is so important in today's time. We are all extremely overworked, underslept, exhausted, tired. Our lifestyles are getting crazier, the stress levels are so high, and I feel skincare is very important. So today I'm going to talk about one of my most favorite things called I'm not going to call it something, it's just that it's everything using green tea. So green tea is something that I've been drinking, and we all drink a lot. I usually don't really like the taste of it. However, I just drink it for the benefits, the antioxidants that come along with it for fabulous skin. It aids your weight loss. So first thing first, I'm going to show you how I help my under eye bags. So these are used green tea bags that I never throw away. I always keep them in my freezer. So because I feel my under eye usually tends to stay a little puffy, so never throw them away. Put them in the freezer, and anytime you feel you look too exhausted, or any day you feel that you really want to look brighter and you want your eyes to look a lot more perky, just put them on your eyes. I can't even tell you how wonderful that feels. Oh my god. So I would ideally put them on my eyes for easily 7-8 minutes. So it's best to lie down while you do this. Unfortunately, I'm shooting a video and I can't do that. So that is benefit number one of using tea bags. So don't throw them away, and use them on your eyes. Secondly, what I also do is that sometimes, when you just leave that little bit of green tea, I put them in ice trays as I have just shown you, and then I just apply this all over my skin. Now I just want to say one little thing, that if you are extremely sensitive skin, do not apply ice cubes directly on your skin ever, right? So this is just green tea water frozen into ice cubes. The goodness of all antioxidants and ice. You know that ice cold compress does so much of goodness to the skin. You can always wrap this up in tissue also and apply it. And what I'm going to talk about next is skin exfoliation. Now I meet a lot of women with very dry skin, and that's exactly what I am, extremely dry skin, with the apples of my cheeks being extremely sensitive, right? And exfoliation is something that is very important for dry skin, because until and unless you do not remove that dead skin of layer, your makeup tends to kind of accumulate around those patches. Especially if you see that your makeup tends to accumulate around those patches, remember you have to exfoliate. So what I usually do is I take the same green tea bag and I tear it apart, and I will just take out a little bit of the green tea leaves into my palm. So this is all the green tea, and now I'm just gonna add Indulge You rose gold oil to it. So I would say I approximately add about 18 to 20 drops to it, and then I am going to use it, and then I just kind of apply it all over my face, and I gently just keep on rubbing it into my skin. Be very, very gentle on your under eyes anyways. My nose also tends to be really, really flaky, and around the mouth a little bit. And I think that is generally the problem area for most women. And just keep on doing this till you feel that the oil has completely seeped into your skin. You can rub this over your lips as well if you feel they are really dry and chapped. So I just removed everything with a nice splash of cold water. Remember, cold water splashes are really, really good for your skin and the circulation and everything. So I hope you like these tips about green tea. I would say just don't drink it, apply it as well, and let your skin benefit. So if you like my video, give me a big thumbs up, and if you try this and if you feel it really works, do leave your comments about it. I would love to hear your feedback. I might sometimes not really reply to all your comments, but trust me, I read all of them. I hope you guys are having a great summer. Take care.